Kaya maraming tao nababurn out, nadidrain, nakakasakit is because of that. This is a reminder for you that you don't increase the size of your hard work, you increase the size of you. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Many people, kapag gusto nila kumita ng mas malaki or gusto nila ng mas magandang profit, ang ginagawa nila, dinadaan lang nila sa hard work. Pero I want you to understand this. For example, yung quality ng trabaho mo based on your knowledge, your skills, and your experience is just level 7. Yan, no? And then, even if you work harder, the quality based on what you currently know is just level 7. So kahit damihan mo yan, ang kalidad niyan level 7 pa rin. So anong klaseng payment yung ibibigay ng client mo, customer mo, or employer mo para sa'yo? Level 7 din, di ba? Ngayon, sasabihin ng iba, di magdagdag na lang ng client kung ikaw man ay freelancer. Pwede naman, doble yung income, pero doble din yung amount of stress and effort. Kaya maraming tao nababurn out, nadidrain, nakakasakit is because of that. Here's one tip for you. The way to make it more efficient is this: increase the size of you, yung iyong kaalaman, yung iyong skill set, yung iyong experience, no? Because when you invest in yourself on the purpose of knowledge, skills, and experience, tumataas ka. Maybe the quality of work that you are now doing is from level 7 to level 9. Syempre, the world will act accordingly. Which means, ang bayad na ibibigay sa'yo, hindi na lamang pang level 7, pang level 9 na. Hindi ka na nadadagdagan ng additional stress, hindi ka na nababurn out kasi nga tumataas yung quality mo of yourself. I hope marami nakatulong sa'yo. Follow for more.